Hello, my name is Xian Yao from the Physiotherapy Department at Sengkang General Hospital. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use a walking frame while following partial weight bearing instructions, meaning you place only some of your weight on the left leg, typically around 50%. First, ensure the walking frame is adjusted properly. When standing upright, the handles should align with your wrist creases. Begin seated in a chair with armrests. Do not pull yourself up on the frame. Instead, lean forward, press up using your hands on the chair arms and your right leg to stand. You may place partial weight on your left leg. Hold the handles firmly and lift the frame straight ahead about 1 full step length. Step forward with the left leg, placing partial weight and using your arms and the frame to support the rest. Next, step forward with your right leg into the middle of the frame space. Recenter yourself in the frame, then repeat. Frame first, left leg with partial weight, then right leg. To sit, back up to the chair until you can feel it behind your legs. Reach for the chair arms and gently lower yourself down. Approach close and lift the walking frame onto the higher surface. Step up with your right leg first, then lift and step up with your left leg, applying partial weight. Move close to the edge. Place all 4 legs of the frame on the lower surface. Step down with the left leg first, then bring down the right leg. Place the first half of the walking frame across the kerb and approach close. Place the second half of the walking frame across the kerb. Step across with your left leg first, then your right leg. To recap, adjust the height properly, support yourself through your arms, and walk using a 3-step pattern: frame, left leg, right leg. Consult your physiotherapist or doctor for personalized instructions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and focus on your recovery.